say this, we have always encountered that this technology is being given a hands down okay by everybody. They understand the benefits of technology in education, but implementation is a huge challenge.
That I've seen the transition which has happened from the traditional teaching to technology, because I am like from the dinosaur age. I have like spent a lot of years in this field. So when I saw the transformation happen with the digital board, that was the biggest change which teachers felt, and they thought the technology is a tool, all right? So that is where the technology started. And there was a lot of apprehensions teachers had when they had to learn something, because they were afraid the technology will replace them. I think what you're talking about is a training part of it, actually.
Yes.
So that is the most important part of it. And right now, I think majority, I can say 80% of teachers are trained. 80% of heads are trained. There might be a few schools which is again resisting, or probably they don't have the kind of assets, or they don't have the resources, which unfortunately they are not operating, and that's one of the reasons they're not charging a fee. And some of them don't have this policy of teaching online, like some of the Montessori schools which I know, they don't have the policy of teaching online, so they are not doing that. But I think that if you give them that kind of a leeway and that kind of a training, I'm sure about it, the entire scenario of teaching and learning is going to change.
Good evening. I am Meena Jayachandra from Modern Public School. I have been awarded as one of the best leader for this for the Women's Day special, and they have been selected. I know Lata Murthy from past 6 months. We are also in our school. We are also using Teams, Microsoft Teams. So and it is very helpful from the evening from 3 o'clock. There is a discussion, panel discussion with educationalists, and we are all getting a very good feedback and a lot of information about how to use the Microsoft and online platform in our school education. So we are blessed, and we thank Lata Murthy for providing this opportunity for us. Thank you.
I'm the founder director of Y1 Edu Solutions and the president chairperson of Y1 Social and Educational Trust, India. We are here to bring in a change, and we are the change makers. Today we had our conference, Educational Tech, EdTech conference at Hotel Hyatt Centric, and we had about 150 different school decision makers and principals who have attended our conference, and it was a wonderful session. We had a lot of panel discussions, and we had Shri PGR Sindhya, who was a chief guest. Along with that, we had Srimati R. Pramila Naidu, who was our who is the chairperson of Women's State Commission, Karnataka. And we also had Mr. Karthik Naidu and Dr. Asif Iqbal and so many other guests who were there with us today. And our company is empowered by 6 women, and our CEO is Mr. Shantakumar. And we are here definitely to ensure that there is a transformation happening in all the educational institutions, including K-12 segment as well as colleges. And we are partner to Microsoft in education. Microsoft is our partner, and using Microsoft, we are taking this program ahead. And we have discussed about bringing in changes and adopting BBMP schools for transforming their teachers and students to empower them with technology, which is very essential at this point of time. And we wanted to reach each and every student and teachers who don't have the gadgets to conduct online classes, or even if they don't have any support in technology. We are there. Y1 is there to help them and to support them and to empower them. We also have our 100% recycled paper products, which we had a launch today, and it is really great to save our Mother Earth, and we save water, we save energy, we save trees also. We don't cut trees. So we use our 100% recycled products it is made out of paper pulp. During this pandemic, which has taught us a lesson, as well as it has given us lot of scope to understand what technology is all about. So technology plays a major role in teaching the students online. Teachers have imbibed technology like never before because they were not used to this. So our technology using Microsoft platform definitely helps all the schools to stabilize and to ensure that they have all types of learning in the school, and they can transform themselves to the 21st century learning according to the UNESCO vision. And our training services and solutions from Microsoft, from Y1 Edu Solutions, supports educational institutions to get into the future ready schools.
My name is Shant Kumar. I'm the founder and CEO of Y1 Edu Solutions. We are EdTech partners of Microsoft. We are actively involved in transforming education segment, that's K-12 set of private, government and all college schools to the next level of it. An organization has been structured with 6 eminent directors who are an educationist, from Dr. Lata Murthy, Dr. Radha Singh, Dr. Maria Manjula Matthew, then Dr. Shashi Pandey, then Dr. Gayatri Devi and Ms. Vinala Princey. So they hold more than 3 decades of education expertise in education. I mean, this is an organization which is for the education institution, driven by the educationist. So with the organization, we got 2 spectrum of products. One is digitalization. With the help of Microsoft solution, we are trying to make sure that with the help of Microsoft Aspire School program, we are driving this entire program. And the other side of it, we are also promoting sustainable, eco-friendly recycled paper product. We had a launch of the product today, and with great eminent speakers and chief guests coming in. And it was a wonderful event, and I hope there is a lot of take with this today's event. Thank you.
Let us not open the door for everybody. And I was just listening to hybrid learning and blended learning. And I have a different view about hybrid learning and blended learning. There are different models of blended learning. There are different models of hybrid learning. To save time, because I'm also very hungry. I always have too many people entering into the education field, leaving the teachers, leaving the school educators. That is quite dangerous. That's what I would like to say. Consult your teachers. We always complain about national education policy was not consulted. The teachers were, of course, Madam Smriti Irani, when she had these 33 chapters, she wanted every chapter for 15 minutes, asked for the comments by the people, but none of us commented it. Having said that, what I need is, like we say, NEP was written by somebody in an air-conditioned room, things like that, teachers were not consulted. But here also, all the products which are coming today are all not consulted by our teachers.
Managements who are budget schools are facing trouble, even supporting the teachers for salaries. I've heard many institutions calling us and saying, since we are in the EC, they are telling us we are removing teachers because we have no budget. That's a sad story for teachers. Because in my own institution, they say you've run it for 52 long years, my institution. And still we are not able to support, because we have to look at the infrastructure too. It's not just the teachers. We have to fumigate the rooms, we have sanitizing, and government is not doing anything for us.
Operational charges.
So management wants to take it or not. Actually, we will not be given a choice. So if, it's not a decision that can be taken by the management alone. So if you have to fit into the education fraternity, we have to go with the trend, and blended learning is definitely called for the day.
We don't have any problem even in this corona, and we have run 1 to 5th standard also. We have completed all the syllabus lesson wise, and every lesson we have done the testing. Annual day we are going to do it on the basis of individual lesson wise. The average will be taken, and all the parents are happy because they are learning with the help of an app. that is software. If the software was not there, I would have not run the school this time. Because I am in a rural area, but still 100% admission. There is no problem about the COVID. The parents never talk about it, but only thing is, it depends on how we utilize this technology.